Hello everyone, Shilpa here. Hair loss is one of the most common problems. Everyone loses 100 strands of hair every day. Many factors can lead to hair loss, from hormonal changes to various medical conditions. Baldness can be triggered by many other reasons. It is a condition most common in men, but can occur in women too. Hair loss is a process that may differ from person to person. It can be gradual while others may experience sudden loosening of hair and patches of baldness all over their head. It is a natural phenomenon, so there is no need to worry over a few follicles falling off. There could be many causes of hair fall, which includes diet, mineral deficiency, medications, stress, pollution, and genetics. Putting on a cap, hat, or helmet could also be another reason. So, here are 20 solutions to help reduce or deal with hair loss. Number 1. Regularly wash your hair with mild shampoo. Regular hair washing is a part of preventing hair loss. By the way of keeping hair and scalp clean, you are lowering the risk of infection and dandruff that may lead to hair breakage or loss. Moreover, clean hair gives the impression of more volume. Number 2. Vitamin for hair loss. Vitamins are not only healthy for overall well-being but also good for your hair. Vitamin A encourages healthy production of sebum in the scalp. Vitamin E betters blood circulation in the scalp to help hair follicles remain productive. And vitamin B helps hair maintain its healthy color. Number 3. Enrich diet with protein. Eating lean meats, fish, soy, and other protein promotes hair health and in turn helps curb hair loss. Number 4. Scalp massage with essential oils. If you are having hair loss for quite some time, must massage the scalp with essential oils for few minutes. This can help the hair follicles remain active. You can add lavender in an almond or sesame oil. Number 5. Avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide tooth comb. Also avoid brushing hair too frequently as doing this can injure hair and increase the loss. Use your fingers to undo tangles. Number 6. Garlic, ginger or onion juice. Rub one of the juices on your scalp, leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. Do it regularly for a week and you will see noticeable results. Number 7. Keep yourself hydrated. The hair shafts comprises 1/4 water, so drink at least 4 to 8 cups of water in a day to stay hydrated and for the growth of healthy hair. Number 8. Rub green tea into your hair. Studies have shown that rubbing green tea onto hair may help curb hair loss problems. All you need to do is brew 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water. Leave it to cool. Apply it to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. Number 9. No water is bad for hair. If you want to keep hair healthy, you must know how to take care of them. Avoid rubbing your hair dry with a towel. Rather, let hair dry naturally. Number 10. Reduce alcoholic beverages. If you are experiencing hair loss, then lessen your alcohol intake because drinking alcohol reduces hair growth. So, decrease or eliminate alcohol to see an increase in hair growth. Number 11. Avoid smoking. Smoking cigarettes reduces the amount of blood that flows to the scalp, and this causes a reduction in hair growth. Number 12. Physical activity. Make time for physical activity every day. Walk, swim, or bike for 30 minutes a day helps balance hormone levels, reducing stress levels besides reducing hair fall. Number 13. De-stress. One of the ways of doing it is by practicing meditation. Alternative therapies such as meditation and yoga not only reduce stress but restores hormone balance. Number 14. Avoid constant heating and drying. Don't subject your hair to frequent constant heating and drying procedures. Heat weakens hair proteins, and constant heating and drying can lead to weakness and fragility that causes hair loss. Number 15. Keep your head sweat free. People with oily hair experience dandruff during summer due to sweating, and the chance of hair fall increases. Using shampoos that contain aloe vera and neem can help keep the head cool and prevent from dandruff. Who wears helmet experience major hair loss in summer as the sweat accumulates in the pores and weakens hair roots, causing hair loss. So wearing a scarf or cloth headband can prevent hair loss. Number 16. Change how you style your hair. If you are loosening your hair lately, you must loosen up your hair. Hairstyles such as ponytails, braids, artificial hairstyles pull hair or tug hair follicles and can eventually cause baldness. Number 17. Take care of your health. Health problems can lead to hair loss. Ensure you deal with chronic illnesses, high fever, and infections properly to ensure healthy hair. Number 18. Keep a watch on medication. Certain medications have a side effect, one of which could be hair loss. Consult a doctor to ask about conditions that you may have. Medication is causing hair loss, and if that is the case, skim to change the medication. Number 19. Keep away from chemicals. Harsh chemicals and permanent hair color products could be damaging your hair health. When you are experiencing hair loss, it is advised not to color your hair. Number 20. Hormonal imbalance. There are many health conditions, particularly skin-related conditions, that causes changes in hormone balance, which in turn lead to hair loss. Visit your doctor regularly for your underlying illnesses and conditions. For many other such preventions and the recipes, do check the link in the description. For more such interesting and informative video, do subscribe, like and share. Mind, body and soul. If you like the video or even don't like it, do leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's grow together, sending you lots of love. Stay healthy, stay blessed. See you soon.